Aunt Hilda's dying. Cancer. And I don't really care.
Mom, she's your sister.
I know, but you know what a bitch she is.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Aunt Hilda is never gonna write us into her will. She doesn't even like us.
She doesn't like anybody. In case you haven't noticed, our business is going down the tubes and our lives are falling apart. Let's go get rich from that dying old bitch. Aunt Hilda? We heard you weren't well.
You think the sight of you two is gonna cheer me up? Are you dim?
Oh, cousin Beatrice is here from New York, huh?
And she thinks that the sun shines out of my ass.
We know why you're here. Do you think we look like idiots?
Do you really want me to answer that question?
Hey, cousins! What's up?
No!
I wouldn't lose touch with Aunt Hilda. I'm not a complete idiot. Macy, Percy, you are looking mighty fine. So, Richard, call me Dick. I like Dick now. Dick.
Oh, you like Dick now?
I prefer Dick.
You seem to have caught the sun today, Hilda. You've got a little bit of a glow.
It's jaundice.
It looks good on you.
We need to keep an eye on Beatrice and Dick. They're trying to take our money.
I was just out buying flowers for my favorite aunt.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I'm ready to go up to bed.
Aunt Hilda, Macy and I can take one.
This is my job. I thought I'd make you a photo album.
I had such a crush on Bill Gunther. I'll probably never feel a man inside me again.
If I wasn't your nephew, I'd be only too happy to be inside you.
If we get her laid by her high school crush, we have a shot.
Have you ever thought about sex with an older woman?
I'm not gonna do it.
You are so selfish.
Richard.
Just have fun with it.
I have completely lost sight of what we're doing here.
What the hell is wrong with you people?
We have always had a thing, you and me.
Our thing being that we're in the same family.
We're just cousins. Cousins are fair game. Maybe even have some kids. Not naturally, in case they came out weird.